We're pleased to announce that this 30-day shutdown is well underway and currently progressing as planned. Roughly about 16% of the work that we've planned has been completed. As I mentioned at our last press conference, crews completed rail replacement between Downtown Crossing and State Street over the weekend. This allows us to remove one of the 6 slow zones that we're aiming to address during this shutdown. Our first priority here is the safety of our workforce, and we have been holding safety briefings every day at our work zones. Various crews, both from our contractors and from internal T-forces, have been replacing ties, ballasts, and repairing special track work across the system. We are currently repairing crossovers at Ruggles and Jackson Square. What you see behind you is the crossover work that is occurring at Ruggles. You see here you've got the 2 parallel tracks that carry the orange line. There is a diagonal track that connects those 2 tracks, and that is what we're replacing here. At Sullivan Square, we are replacing ties and doing track work. Close to Wellington, we've replaced 3 duck banks, and we're currently constructing a 4th one. We're doing tie replacement near Assembly and at the base of Dana Bridge. We've completed about 11% of the planned work on the signal system at Oak Grove and Malden Station. And we're particularly pleased to be able to get this work done as part of ongoing work after the surge that will eventually result in the complete replacement of the signal system on the orange line. We've successfully repaired and inspected the rub rails at Oak Grove and Malden stations, and we've done a series of tests at Mass Ave Station, testing the generator and making sure that we've got the appropriate level of emergency lighting in place. Beyond just the orange line surge, we just finished a 16-day closure on the E branch of the Green Line that has allowed us to install the wayside elements of the Green Line train protection system. Also allowed us to replace over 2,700 feet of track. This work is an example of what we can get done when we have these closures in place and where we have unfettered 24/7 access to track. We're going to be able to accomplish 5 years worth of work on this 30-day closure, the orange line, and we're pleased about the progress we're accomplishing.